I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Renegade battery. First, let's make sure you have all the necessary tools ready. You'll need a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, a ratchet with an extension, and both a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. Having these items on hand will make the process smooth and efficient. Also, confirm you have a new battery, typically a Group 48 or H6, with at least 650 cold cranking amps. Now let's safely disconnect your old battery. Begin by opening your hood and locating the battery, which is typically on the driver's side. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. Use your 10mm socket or wrench for this. Next, remove any plastic covers and then disconnect the positive terminal, which might involve a 10mm socket and a Phillips screwdriver for a retaining clip. Finally, use your 13mm socket to loosen, and remove the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Carefully lift out the old battery. They can be quite heavy. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and ensure the terminal connections are free of corrosion. Now, gently lower your new Group 48 or H6 battery into the tray, making sure it sits flush. Once it's in place, reattach the battery hold-down clamp and tighten it securely with your 13mm socket. For the final steps, let's connect everything and perform some checks. First, connect the positive terminal to the new battery and tighten it with your 10mm socket. Then, connect the negative terminal, tightening it last. Double-check that all connections are snug and the battery is stable in its tray. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an auto parts store or recycling center. You've successfully changed your Jeep Renegade battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.